My daughter's little pony. All right, guys, what's up? It's King Joffy Joe 413. All right. Some bad news, guys. Bad news. Yesterday, I went to the gas station, and I went in the gas station, and I came out. Not this right here. This is me. I took that off. But yesterday, I went in the gas station, and I came out. Oh, that's my alarm system right there. Scorpio alarm system on the ground. But, all right. I went to the gas station yesterday. Went inside. Come off the gas station to somebody hit my bike. Hit the tire. Someone hit the bike. And control arm bit right there. Yes, sir. So what I was told, so I took the front off to take a couple looks myself, because I know if the body's bent, the frame's bent, they're probably gonna total her out. So I came up and looked around. So first you wanna look at this area right here. This area right here. So what I'm looking at is gaps. So I look at the gap right here, and then I look at the gap right here. Look pretty similar. But then when I go down here, the gap at the bottom of this pole, there's a little gap right there. Then you go to this side, and you look at the bottom of the pole, same pole, there's no gap. See that? No gap there. So it's very slight. It's a little gap. It's probably about 2/8 gap right there, something like that. Not too big. Go to the back, take a look right here. That thing right there is pulled away from the body a little bit. Come to this side. That's a lot closer right there. That's a lot closer than the front one. So that's obviously out of whack. That's obviously out of whack. But that looks like it might be. Oh, nope, that's welded on there. Yep, that's one welded piece. So, just let you guys know. Let you guys know. I'm gonna be down for a while. No videos from me for a while. I seen some posts about people else had problems with their bikes. They had to get it fixed. Parts needed parts, and it took about 2 months for them to get the parts. So it's looking like to me, my riding season is over. Sorry, guys. I do have a buddy that does some riding. He has a Ryker. Maybe I can get him to start doing some videos for me, so I can post those up for you guys. But unfortunately, the beast is down for now. All right, guys, till next time.